Hello everyone, how is it going? I am making an eggplant recipe that is very tasty to make. This requires only a handful of ingredients and you get the tastiest dish which can be a roadside delicacy made at home. Let's start with the ingredients. 2 begun or bangan or eggplant as we know in English, diced into 1 inch. 1 diced tomato with few slit green chili, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 medium sliced onion, 2 small bunch dhonepata or coriander leaves, 100 gram green peas. Before going to the spice mix, though eggplant in Bengali is known as begun jar kono gun nei, but the question is, can you relate begun to light? Yes, light as in rays of the sun. As I heat 2 tablespoons mustard oil in the pan, let us dive deep in the spice mix, which are 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Bengali Garam Masala powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Keep watching the video as a surprise awaits as the recipe progresses. I fry the onions and stir a little bit to get them semi-translucent. This recipe used to be cooked by my grandmother many times. I remember that she used to cook for the entire family back then. And my father would cherish it when I was a kid. I would savor a little as one of them would encourage me to eat, and oh, the sight of the ingredients is taking me down the memory lane. Now as I add the ginger garlic paste and let it cook, can you dig deep in your memory lane and recover a connection between Kolkata cinema and begun? Hint, hint, of course, Oscar. I will also bring you the answer to the first question on begun sunray puzzle in a moment. Now as you try to think both the answers out, I add some green chili and the diced tomato to the semi-fried onion. Then I add cumin coriander powder and stir. You will notice one thing here. Until now, as I add each ingredient, I stir and wait some time so that each individual spice gets its time to fuse in the flavor with the growing sauce in the pan. Next, I add sugar, salt, turmeric and Kashmiri red chili. Then after getting the spice and onion well cooked, I add the diced begun or eggplant. I load the entire pan up with the 2 diced begun. Not to worry, this will slowly reduce to 1/4 the volume that you see now. This is because begun has a lot of dietary fiber. Now you know one of the benefits. Begun is after all not begun in reality, but in fact has a lot of shugun. See how the spice mix is now getting fused as the raw begun starts to get cooked. I fold and turn to spread the mix evenly, and I bring you the answer to the connection between light or sun rays and begun. The answer lies in the visual. You got it. The sun rays made of color spectrum Vibgyor has violet or beguni color as the first one. The color name is derived from this humble vegetable begun or beguni, also known as baingani in Hindi or baimgani in Sanskrit. Now you see, begun not only is nutritious but has provided a basic color for our eyes. Now is the time for the answer to the connection between Kolkata cinema and begun or eggplant. But wait for a moment more. The recipe is almost done. Your watching for the revelation till the end will be a stress buster, I promise. It has been 12 minutes till now, after I started to fry the onions at the beginning. Currently, as the recipe slowly gets its form, I will add the chopped 2 bunch coriander leaves in 3 batches. Once now, second time after the begun is half cooked, and third time as a garnish. The reason is same as I stated earlier, for time-bound slow infusion of the aroma and flavor of coriander in the begun. I stir, mix and fold all the ingredients in the pan. I put the lid on for 4 minutes. As I take the lid off, you can see that there is some water which has separated out from the begun itself. You can get 3 recipes of distinct taste by making methi begun or pudina begun. In those dishes, you can add fresh methi leaves or fresh mint leaves in double batches maximum. I stir a bit and add the Bengali Garam Masala followed by the green peas. Oh, just a handy tip. As both methi or pudina are strongly aromatic or pungent, if you say, the best word being overpowering, use in lesser quantity. Now for this recipe, I stir up the begun with the peas a little and cover for 1 minute. No more, as the begun now is already 95% done and the peas will get mushy. Yes, to continue for the methi or pudina with begun combination, methi is good to control cholesterol, but too much of it imparts a bitterness. Pudina, on the other hand, helps digestion and improves brain function. But again, using more pudina leaves may trigger allergic reaction and you may not get the taste of begun at all. Though some people have adverse feeling towards coriander, but majority likes its marvelous flavor as a garnish. I open the lid for the last time and garnish the last batch of coriander leaves. And begun chatpata is ready to be devoured with hate gora ruti or parotha or fulka. Now, the final stress reliever. The only Bengali Oscar awardee once during his film shooting, while on a break, was playing word puzzle with the film crew. As his turn came to begin a vegetable name with E, he stated eggplant. No one in Kolkata or mostly in India was familiar with the American term eggplant. Begun was famously known only with English terms as aubergine or brinjal. Hearing this, people were dismayed. How on earth would you name eggs from a plant? Thus, you got it. Satyajit Ray was the first person to recoin the word eggplant in West Bengal and whole of India. Hopefully you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Dhonobad. Bye bye. Tata.